Welcome to Simple Fijian Read. Today we are going to talk about introductions. When you meet a Fijian, introduce yourself in a very simple way and direct way. So introductions there, as you can see, I'm sharing my screen. Vei kilai. Introductions. Vei kilai. You would start off by saying this. If you already have some knowledge of the Fijian alphabet and you can read, please do so along with me. Let's go. Mbula na yadhangu o tukai. You can say your name, eh? And remember yadhangu? Yadhangu. Ya is emphasized. Yadhangu. Bula na yadhangu o tukai. Odhei na yadhamu. The reply would be, if he was, say, Vili, he would say, or his reply would be, Bula tukai na yadhangu o Vili. Bula tukai na yadhangu o Vili. Right? Did you get it? So that simply means here, hello, na, my name is, and down here, what is your name? Okay, maybe we'll color this just two. Is it here? Yeah. What is your name? Here. All right. Okay, did you get that? And then here, the reply would be, hello, so-and-so. My name is so-and-so. That would be the reply. So let's try these ones again. Vekilai, or the introductions. Bula, nayadhangu o tukai. Odei nayadhangu. The reply, Bula tukai, nayadhangu o Vili. Please like and subscribe, and we'll give you some more of the simple Fijian read. Manaka, sotatali.